There's a thing called video velocity for your YouTube videos that you want to know about, and we're going to talk about it coming up. Hey, this is Dane Golden. This is the channel where we help you grow your customer community with helpful how-to videos. And today we're talking about view velocity. The thing about view velocity is that you want to get as many views as fast as possible. So let's show you what that sounds like. And that's what happens when you have velocity in a car. But on view velocity, what you want to do is you want to get the most views fastest on your video. You don't necessarily want to get them through paid media. You want to get them organically through your subscribers. So you want everything to launch at the optimum time that most of your viewers are going to be on. If most of your viewers start watching at 7 p.m. at night, then that's when you are going to want to launch your video. So you want to do email at the same time, you want to tweet it at the same time, you want to have the optimum time of day and day of week that people are going to be watching your videos. And that really depends. It could be if you're an automotive product and people fixing things up in their garage on weekends, well, that's going to be in a Friday or a Saturday or a Sunday is the best time. Maybe in the morning. And if you're something for people that go to school, maybe when they get back from school, or if it's for people who work hard, maybe 7 o'clock at night or 8 o'clock at night. If it's a work product, maybe it's noon during the workday. So you really want to launch it at the right time and do everything you can to get people promoting it just at that right time. So to promote this video and get more velocity on that, we're going to ask you to click on this next video right here. I'll see you in the next video.